To start, open the provided 3D file titled Pearl and Diamond Earrings for this tutorial. You will see two elements, a gem with a basket setting and a sub-D. On the left side, you will notice a panel with different elements categorized by types. This panel is called Curator and allows us to have a library of elements provided by RhinoArtisan, as well as our own library. You can also find the Curator panel in the Components tab. As in the previous panel, you can also find a library of elements and save your own elements to speed up your work. To create a new category in Curator, click on Create a folder. Name it RhinoArtisan Tutorial. As you can see, a new empty category has been created. Now we will add our elements. Select the gem and the basket, and click on Add a new Curator file. Name it and save it. Do the same with the sub-D. To verify that it has been saved, close and reopen RhinoArtisan. Once opened, go to the Curator panel and check that our category and elements are still there. Now, let's start creating our new earrings. For this, select our Save Basket in the Curator panel. For better visualization, switch to shaded mode in each viewport by using the option at the bottom right corner. Additionally, to center the element, select Pan, Zoom, and Rotate, and then Zoom Extends All. Now add our sub-D from the Curator panel. Move the basket 10 millimeters back and 7.736 millimeters up. Then, in the Diamonds tab, select the Pearl command. Change the size to 10 millimeters. Turn off the wire and the callet, then Accept. Select Pan, Zoom, and Rotate, and then Zoom Extends All to center to view. Now add the clasp system. Go to the Curator panel, and in the Findings category, select Omega Clasps Medium. Select the entire piece. Use the gumball to move it 4.42 millimeters back. Also move it 85 millimeters down. Now, from the top view, we will create the pair for the earring. To do this, select all the elements. In the Transform tab, use the Copy command. In the command bar, type 0 and press Enter. Now, since we want to move it 25 millimeters to the right, type 25 and press Enter. Select a point to the right and click. Now select the copy and rotate it -55 degrees to position it for rendering. Switch to the perspective view to set up the position for the final render. Select the pearls, and in the Render and Animation panel, select Gems Materials. Apply the pearl material to the pearl and the diamond material to the gems. To simplify the process, select the gems and pearls and type Hide in the command bar. Now select the metallic elements and apply the white gold 14K material. Show the hidden elements by typing Show in the command bar. Select the parameters for the render, and our model will be finished.